Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. It's Steve. Today I'm going to teach you a really quick way to layer your pictures on a Mac for free. You don't need paid software. You could do it all in Preview, and it's really easy. I just learned 10 minutes ago, so that's what I'm going to tell you. I'm not going to get into technicalities like why you need to change the format of the picture and how this method does it automatically. You don't need to know that. All you need to know is what I'm doing to put a picture on a picture as a layer to make a cool YouTube thumbnail. So let me get to this side of the screen so I could share with you. It's really easy. Okay, so all I want to do is use this black screenshot as the background of my thumbnail picture. And I want to paste the Shield logo in here. So this will be on top of this as a layer. And it's really, really simple to do. Again, I'm not going to tell you what's going on in the background. You don't need to know that. We're beginners here, most likely, if you're on my page. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. All right. So click on the layer that you want to use first. And this is, I called it the A layer because this is my background. All you want to do is go to Edit. Then you want to hit Select All. And it'll select the entire picture because this is what I want to use as my background. If you don't want to use the entire picture, I'll hit Escape now. You can drag and you'll see the dotted lines. And this means once I cut the picture, it's only going to cut this particular portion. But I don't want to do that. I want the whole thing. So I'll hit Edit, Select All. Then all I have to do is hit Command X and it'll cut that picture. And you can't really tell because it's still kind of black, but the picture was cut. And now I just need to paste it back. And apparently pasting it back changes the format of the image from like a JPEG to something else. You don't have to worry about that. So I'll hit Command V and now the picture's back. So now I have the background how I want it. Now I want to get the Shield logo into here. And now I just do the same thing. So I could either hit Edit, Select All. So now I will Command X to cut the picture. And now you can see it's gone. And now I will paste it here. Actually, first I want to do is resize this because I need the picture to be a little bit smaller. So just click this little pencil icon. Click this here where it looks like 3 squares, adjust size. And for the sake of this video, I don't know, right now it is a pretty small file. I want it to be like half. So I'll make the width 4 because that's about half. Hit OK. Oh, right, now my picture is smaller. That's what I want. Now I'll hit Edit, Select All, and now Command X to cut it. Go into the background, hit Command V to paste it, and now I have my picture in my other picture layered on top. So this is what I wanted. So I'm going to use this thumbnail for this video. I'll put some text over here. It'll be really simple. And I don't need this anymore because I don't need that layer. So I'll just expand this. So here is my picture here, the dark black. This is just the background that won't be in the picture. So what do I want to do now? Something simple would be to have a border around here. You know, like a red border around this box or something. Maybe if you add a shape. If you add a shape, but the inside color of the shape would have to be no color. There we go. So that's what you would have to do, and now it's kind of hard to get it back. And then kind of drag it, and I'm doing this really fast. And let's see. All right, so yeah, that is how you would add a border around that picture. You would have to go here and add a shape. Like I just did, I added the square, and then you go into the border color, change it to whatever you want it to be. I just want it to be red. And then this is the background color, I believe, the fill color. So you don't want there to be a fill color because if you have one, then obviously that didn't do what I wanted it to do. Here we go. Fill color orange. You won't be able to see anything, obviously. So you want to remove the fill color with this, the black box with the red line through it. And that is it. So I learned that just now with you, how to do that. So that is a simple way to layer photos in the Preview app on your Mac for free. Hopefully I explained it as easily as it is to do. Leave questions in the comments below if I didn't, and I'll try to explain it a little bit better. If what I recorded was totally like non-understandable and no one gets how easy it is, I'll just record a new video for you. But I think I went through it pretty well. It's literally like 3 or 4 steps and you're good. And again, this is beginners to create a layered thumbnail and how to add a border to like the second picture. I'm not going to go in depth into anything else because I haven't really played with this yet. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you learned how to do it. Again, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll talk to you on the next video. Peace, guys.